Lost my groove.
You don't have a very sharp knife, do you?
No. Fuck.
Let me stand back so you can't reach me. That's fucking awesome. Yeah. Oh, this fucking thing records forever. That's nice.
Well, that's not very sharp.
Where are you going? Oh, now you got the sharp thing on your neck where you were cutting?
Hold on. I know.
Oh, you got it? Is that it? Here, wait, here. Here. Thanks.
Oh, you fucker. Not really fucked.
Don't choke yourself.
That's fucking hurt fucking watch.
Oh my god, that's fucking awesome.
Alright, you wanna let me go now?
No, not really.
I got shit to do.
No, you don't. Payday.
Haven't cut it yet.
He fucking handed his knife to me.
I thought you were gonna
He handed his knife to me.
Daddy's boxes.
Oh, no. Your work.
You got your razor blade right now?
Hold on, wait. Come on. This is fucking awesome. Like I said. You don't have a knife on you?
Give me your snips, bitch.
Get your knife.
I'll bust your fucking head open.
Get your knife. There you go. You can use that. Just twist it.
Yeah, I was gonna fucking twist her at his neck. He's gonna choke me even more. Give me a snip.
Hey, fuck, dude. Here, here's his knife. Let him cut it out.
What the fuck is that?
That's fucking awesome.
There you go.
There you go. Hey, oh, you saved it for me. Thanks. I can get somebody else with it. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Ow, that hurt. Don't be mad. I love it. You hand me the fucking knife. You want to see it?